Hello and welcome. The easiest soup you can make is of course a chicken soup. As simple as it is a very versatile soup. It can be eaten as it is, with noodles, with croutons, fresh pasta, or can be used as broth for other foods. Start with 8 chicken wings, 1 onion, 2 carrots, 1 celery leaf, 10 grams of black pepper, salt to taste. Cut 1 carrot in bite size. Wash and clean the veggies. Cut the chicken wings, but do not throw away the wings tips. Add the chicken in cold water and bring to a fast boil. Once it started boiling, leave for 2 minutes. Take it out and put in cold water to clean. Throw the water away. Quick fry the peppercorn. Once is flagrant, add 2 liters of water. Add the chicken. Add the rest of ingredients. Cover. Bring to a boil. Lower the temperature to lowest. Leave for 90 minutes to slowly simmer. Remove the whole carrot, the onion, the celery and the tips. Garnish with parsley. Serve as it is, with noodles, with croutons, fresh pasta. Enjoy. Like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.